From the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov.
So stop me if any of this sounds familiar. You go off on your tone quest, searching for that perfect tone. And you plug in every microphone, preamp, and plugin you can get your hands on, and still yet in the back of your mind is this little voice that keeps telling you, this isn't it. Keep searching. And so you find more microphones and more preamps and plugins, and you try them all, and still yet the need to find that perfect tone isn't satiated. Your wallet hates you for it, but you have to keep searching. You have to find it because deep down inside, you're looking for something that you're just not hearing. And then one day, you plug in the Neumann MT-48. You use the microphones you've used before, and they sound different to you. For the first time, you're really hearing what they sound like. For the first time, you're like, oh my God, this is it. This is what I've been searching for all along. This is the sound. So what you're hearing right now is the TLM-67 through the MT-48. And I'm recording it to Reaper. And there's going to be a little touch of de-essing on the render and maybe a little touch of CVOX if they're like noise tails, because I've loosened up the gate so to make sure it sounds very natural. But this is my commercial tone. I used this on 21 spots last week, and man, did it deliver. I used this on a couple of narrations using the U89, and I'm over the moon with this sound. This is like everything I've been searching for. And this commercial tone is just killing. One night only, Jeremy Zucker at the Fillmore. Get your tickets now at livenation.com. You know, I mean, it has that thing. Get ready for a summer of thrills and laughter. Funland Amusement Park is back, bigger and better than ever. Experience the excitement and create unforgettable memories with family and friends. Don't miss out. I mean, this is it. This is my commercial sound. I think that really, honestly, I can get everything I need done with just the TLM-67 for stuff that needs to be mid-forward, high upper mid-forward, commercials, promos, etc. And the U89 for everything else, for narrative stuff. I think this is my entire rig. I think this is it. I think my tone quest is over. I know that that's a weird, grandiose statement to make, but I think this is it. I think I have found the answer to my, my torment. And I think that my wallet, even though my wallet isn't exactly happy about it, I think in the long run, I think it will make my wallet very happy because this is it. I really don't know where I would even go from here because I love this sound so much. And here's the kicker too. Ever since I started using the MT-48, now I'm somebody, and again, stop me if this has happened to you. I'm someone who will buy a microphone, and while it's in transit to me, from Sweetwater or from somebody off Reverb or whatever, I'm still looking at other microphones on Reverb or Sweetwater or whatever. I'm still shopping for stuff even after I just bought something new. Even when I get something new, I'm still looking at other stuff. It's a restless heart. It's a restless mind, driven by this need to find a sound. And once I found this sound, that voice is quiet now. Not once have I had the desire to open up Reverb or anything and look for other gear. My heart is settled. My mind is settled. I am extremely happy. I am overjoyed by how I think I finally found the perfect sound for me. And whether it's the perfect sound for you or not, I can't tell you. But in my experience, this is it. All right, nation, what do you think? How are you doing on your tone quest? I know a lot of you are still on your tone quest. And it is frustrating and exciting and, possibly hurtful to your wallet. But let me know. All right, leave a comment. Until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov, fading to black.